Hi guys, today I'm going to be trying to program my new key pods. I bought two new key pods on Amazon. They were $32 shipped. Today I went and had them cut at this locksmith, the lock dock here in Corpus Christi, and it was like $7 to get them both cut. I'm having to do this because I guess about 6 months back, this is the only one I really used. This was just a backup, and I've even got a regular backup without a transponder in it, and I never used that. It was just in a little lockbox below the Jeep somewhere. But about 6 months ago, my key pod started acting funny. I was over at a friend's house working on his house and had my Jeep parked in the street and locked everything up just like normal with the button. And a few seconds later, my headlights come on and the Jeep had unlocked. So I tried it again, tried it a dozen times. Tried it with the other key pod too, and I replaced the batteries, and it still did that. I go to lock it and walk away, the headlights come on, the door's unlocked. Even when I got home for the next couple of weeks, you know, I'd be sitting at home watching TV and at night and the headlights would come on. I said, what the hell? So anyway, I decided that the key pods were bad. So I bought those two keys on Amazon, and I haven't tried this yet, but they say provided you have two working keys, and both of my key pods, the old ones, will start the Jeep and keep it running and everything. The other key I have will start it, but it won't keep it running. 2 or 3 seconds later, it just dies. So that's just going to be a spare key. So hopefully I can get these new key pods working. I saw another video on YouTube on how to do it, and God willing this works, because I don't want to spend $300 plus for each new key pod. So anyway, I'm gonna try this. It says put one of the working key pods in it, turn it to the on position, wait 3 seconds, and turn it back off. Put the other key pod in, do the same thing, on position. You'll see a little light in the corner come on, and it hasn't come on. So I don't know if this is going to work or not. But we'll give it a try and see. One of the new key pods. Okay, that didn't work. Let me try this one. Just try that one a little bit different way. It starts it and it dies. So nuts. I hope I don't have to pay somebody to program my keys, because I don't want that. Let me try it with the door open. It's cold outside, so I don't want to open very far. I'm going to put this one in, turn it to the on position, don't start it, wait 3 seconds. The little light in the upper right hand corner came on, and then it went off. I'm going to do that with the other old one. On position, the light comes on, and now it goes off. That static is my radio. And now it's flashing. So I'm going to take that key out, put one of the new ones in, turn it to the on position. It went out. Come on, radio, stop doing that. Take it back out. Try it again. Starts it up. And it's running. Oh, yes. Good deal. Maybe that key pod's working. What I'm going to do, close my door and try to lock the doors. The door's locked. And the alarm light is flashing. Try unlock. Door's unlocked. I'm going to take my regular key pod just in case I get locked out. And I'll be right back. I'm going to see if the taillights flash whenever I lock and unlock with the new one. Which one was it? I think it was this one. I'll check. Okay. Okay, I'll be right back. Yes, yes, sweet. This one's done. Also, with the old key pods, the tail lights wouldn't flash whenever I locked the Jeep or unlocked it. And with this one they do. That's why I got out to check. It locked it, flashed the tail lights, unlocked it, flashed the tail lights and the headlights. So I'm gonna go through the same process for the second key. Let me make sure I don't get them mixed up. Okay, this one's in the hand. Okay, let's do this again. Okay, the light came on. Wait 3 seconds. The light went out. Turn that key off. Okay, I'm gonna put this one in. The light came on. I'm gonna wait about 10 seconds. And the light is coming on, saying it. Okay, let's try the new one. The light's on, the light's off. Okay, take it out. Try to lock the doors. Door's locked. Door's unlocked. Stayed running, yes. I think I may have just saved myself 350 bucks. Yes. So I have 2 new key pods that both lock the doors, unlock the doors. Good deal. Now, the original 2 I'm not going to throw away. I'm just going to take them apart so they don't trigger the lights to come on or the alarms or anything. I'll have them for the next couple of weeks. I'm going to have them close by in case these new ones actually don't work the way they're supposed to work. You know, I'll still have these and I'll keep them for as long as I live, or if on the off chance I sell my Jeep, you know, I'll give them to whoever. But I can't see myself selling my Jeep. So, good deal. That works. Again, these key pods were on Amazon. 2 of them for $29 plus tax. So it was like $32 and some odd cents shipped. And I ordered them on Tuesday. I got them yesterday. Yeah, today's Friday the 21st, I think. It's chilly outside. Today's Friday the 21st. I ordered them on the 18th. I got them on the 20th. Lowe's would not cut the keys. I didn't even bother with Home Depot. This morning I went up to the lock dock here on Airline in Corpus Christi, Texas, and they cut the keys. And it was like $7 total, a little bit more than $7, something like that. And I had called them on like Monday, asking them what would they charge to program the keys. $364 each. And I got 2 keys that I programmed, was able to program myself for $32. From what I've heard, if you don't have 2 original keys though, you have to take it to a dealer or a lock shop to get the keys programmed. And that was true whenever I put the first key in and let it sit 3 seconds in the on position without starting it. Now pulled it out, put the second key in for 10 seconds without starting it in the on position. And then you put one of the new keys in there and just turn it on and let it sit there 5-10 seconds, what I did, and it worked fine. It unlocks all the doors. And I also did check the new keys to see if they open the tailgate just the old-fashioned way, and they work. It works on the passenger side door too. The driver's side door is kind of what's that lock is kind of stiff. I probably need to put something in the lock to free it up a little bit, but I ain't gonna worry about it. If the key pods work, it unlocks the doors just fine. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take these 2 old key pods and take the batteries out and leave them sitting on the shelf in there. And I'll put one of these on my key ring and I'll put the other one on my emergency ring, and everything should be fine. I appreciate you guys sticking with me for this entire long video. Right now it's at 12.5 minutes. So if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Leave me a comment if you have a question. I'll try to answer it, but I'm not real good at that kind of stuff. As far as this kind of stuff, I'll answer a question if I can. I want you guys to stay warm. Right now here in Corpus Christi it is 40 degrees, so work. I am beyond thrilled to find out that I just saved myself $600-700 on 2 key pods, because the dealer wanted $330, I think, per key. The lock dock wanted $364 each to program them. I said I can do it myself, and they work perfect so far. We'll find out more in a couple of weeks. And if something does go wrong in the next couple of weeks and I have to update this video, if you will, I'll probably put another one out. And I'll definitely let you know. But I'm going to go ahead and close the video now. Please like, subscribe, and share. Check out my other videos too. I've got some on my trailer that's right behind me. Right over there, you can see part of it because I'm only 5 feet from it, so can't see very much of it. But I've got 3 videos out on the trailer, and some of the videos I've done on the Jeep, on various things I installed, the fenders, the bumpers, and everything else. I'm right now in the process of doing the light switches on the pillars. And reinstalling my blinds from Terraflex. I got the sides still installed because they weren't in the way to get the corner panel out over here to take the thing over here off the pillar cover. But as soon as I get these wires run the way I want them run, I'll put that Terraflex thing back up on for sun visors. But I'd appreciate you guys checking out some of the other videos too. And that's about it. We'll talk to you guys next time I do a video. Thanks. Bye.